Public speaking is a blend of natural talent and learnable skill. Listen very carefully again. Public speaking is a blend of natural talent, that is, you're born with it, and plus learnable skill. How many of you think, Praveen, yes, that's a fact? Or Praveen, no, that's a myth. Myth or fact? That's a fact or myth? Myth or fact? Myth or fact? Myth or fact? Okay, your house is fairly divided. Okay, let me end the poll and let me share the results. House is fairly divided here. 46% people said Praveen myth and 54% people said Praveen facts. Understand. What do you mean by born talent first, and what do you mean by learnable skill? Born means you're born with it, and learnable skill, it means you can learn, practice, you develop that skill, and then you implement that skill in your life, right? Let's take one by one. First, you said born talent. Sometimes I feel that when you say it's a born talent, it means you're born with it, right? It's there in you, natural, it's there. Okay. Can you give me the example of one more skill which is a born? Just I'm opening the chat. One more skill which is a born skill. You're born with it. Can you give me an example? I've opened the chat. You're born with it. I just want to understand. Able to see, okay, breathing, okay, breathing. Yep. Go ahead, go ahead. You're able to see, your ability to see, that's the skill of see, breathing. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. Few more examples. Sex. Okay, okay. Breathing, movement. Okay. Flexible body, taking food, imitating, hearing, hair, born talent. Some people are talkative. Yeah. Confidence, listening, talking, race. Okay. Learning. Okay. So those people who said flexibility of body is the born talent. So you say there are few people, their body is very flexible, very flexible. Few. Yeah, few exceptions are there. I agree. There are few exceptional, not you and me. Huh? There are few exceptional where the body structure is such that they can go inside one small box also. Right? Birthmark. It's a talent, birthmark. Okay, you consider that as a talent? I think I have no one to challenge you, but birthmark. Uh, Someone said breathing. Breathing is a talent. How many of you think that breathing is a talent? Because I have little doubt about it. How many of you think is a breathing is a talent? Click on A. Breathing is a talent. Breathing is a talent. Click on A. Or click on B. No, what breathing is not a talent. It's like everyone breathes. Every species breathes. You know what is talent in that? Okay. A or B. A or B. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me. So I think 72% people, even I think like it's what talent it's in breathing. Okay. Okay. How to breathe? That's breathing exercises. Exercise. Okay. Now I can understand. Up to some extent, you said I really breathe very well. I really learn very well. I'm very good in sex. Someone said sex also. Right? I'm very good in sex. Okay. So these things you say that you have born, you have naturally born with it. Hmm. Now let's take speaking skill. And let's take speaking skill. What is the skill? Skill of organization of thoughts. You have born talent how to organize your content. Skill of focusing on the content. You have that born talent that you can focus on anything. Born talent. Skill of delivering that content in your language. So you have that talent because public speaking is a combination of this, all these things only. So you have a skill of delivering that content in that particular language. You're born with that language only, right? So you're born with it. Since childhood, even I heard this. Born speaker, born cricketer, born singer. Ma Saraswati has given you very good voice. Are Sachin Tendulkar is a born cricketer, or you can't, God gifted. So don't you feel, just watch, there's one interview by Sachin Tendulkar. He said, in a very sophisticated way, he said, every time when you say to a sportsman that you are born with that skill, you are actually insulting the hard work, commitment, passion, dedication of that person. Wherever Sachin Tendulkar has reached, is reached because of his efforts. Or when you say Madhuri Dixit, wow, wow, very flexible, natural body. Go with Madhuri Dixit, you will find amount of sweat she used to pour on the floor in gym. Don't you feel you are insulting the hard work? I have seen people never used to speak, including me. I used to hesitate speaking in front of people. Now I'm calm, composed, relaxed. Doesn't matter whether I have thousands of people in front of me. Doesn't matter. So I'm not born with it, right? So if you say, Praveen, you are a very natural speaker, you are insulting my hard work also. So all those people who believe in this, born cricketer, born dancer, born speaker, only babies are born on this planet. Even if you take a breathing skill, you go to some expert, you will find that the skill which normally you should breathe properly, many of us, we don't breathe properly. We have lost, we are doing it incorrectly. It means what? Either there is a correct method or incorrect method. So we have first, we had that correct method, and slowly, slowly, slowly we changed it to incorrect method. So even breathing, hand and eye coordination. Tell me, when the boy started walking, a child started walking, natural. It was so easy for you and me to start walking. Don't you feel that we first time we caught that ball in our hand, it's eye and hand coordination. So impact of genetics is one thing, and developing this kind of skills, walking, talking, singing, even eye hand coordination, these are the skills which you have to learn. Why few people they just run, and why few people are making world records in running? That's a skill. Running is a skill, walking is a skill, dancing is a skill, speaking is a skill. No one is born with it. Number one. Now, Praveen, what do you mean by learnable then? Many people they feel that because they are speaking, it means they are learning also. No, learning is not that. Learning means you get exposed to correct techniques and methods, understand those techniques and methods, practice those techniques and methods, and become perfect slowly, 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 and reach one significant level, and then you master it. That's called learning. As per one survey, more than 90% people they say, Praveen, yes, public speaking is essential for professional growth. And more than 90% people said that we have never learned public speaking formal, no formal education. What's going on? Now, the problem is not this. The problem is this. Understand. In case if you think it's a born talent, still okay. You're born with it, congratulations. Not born with it, sorry, next life. In case if you say learnable skill with the definition of learn is this, good, you will learn it. The problem is that you think it's a blend of both. You think it's a blend of both. Blend of both means always you have one excuse in your mind ready. You have a very good presentation, very nice presentation, or very important presentation you have. You have given it very good, performed very well as per your expectation. See, I've learned it, worked hard. And despite of your whatever learning you had and whatever you have practiced, despite of all that, if you are not able to speak effectively that day on that presentation day, Arey yaar, I've given my best, but I think I don't have that. No, that one thing is missing here in me. He has. She has. I don't have that natural thing. I'm working hard. Ladies and gentlemen, blend of both is a big excuse you have in your mind. There's only one way to develop any skill. Accept it. Only babies are born on this planet. In the school of life, identify the skill like a student, learn that skill, and doesn't matter whether you are learning singing, dancing, or not. If you want to make career there, please do that. But if you're doesn't matter whether you're learning those skills or not, but Your ability to speak is going to change your life. Be a student of that skill. Nothing called born here. Learn it. Tell me, how many of you think, Praveen? Yes, we agree. Click on A. Click on B. No, Praveen. We don't agree. A, agree. B, we don't agree. A, agree. B, we don't agree. A, agree. B, we don't. Okay. Let me end the poll and let me share the result. 93% people said Praveen yes, and 7% people said Praveen no.